Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to print your credit report from Credit Karma so you can keep a physical copy for your records. First, open the Credit Karma app or go to the Credit Karma website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and tap on the Credit section. From there, select the option to view your full credit report. After your credit report loads, scroll through the page and look for an option that says Print or Download. If you don't see a print option right away, choose Download first and save the report as a PDF file. Once the report is downloaded, open the PDF on your device. Then select the print option from your device or computer's menu. Choose your printer, review the print settings, and confirm to print your credit report. And that's how you print your credit report from Credit Karma. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.